What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is on the Z, and we're going to be installing a new key fob. We're going to be programming it onto the car, and I'm going to show you how to do it in a couple easy steps. So stay tuned. So we're gonna do the key fob. So this is the factory fob. You see it's worn out, and the issue with this is that dirt gets. Just dropped a new one. The issue with these is that dirt gets in between the buttons, and over time it gets very sensitive. So in this case, for me, it was unlocking all the time, and then it was actually holding. When you double tap and hold the unlock button, the windows go down. So I'll be walking away and all of a sudden the windows go down by themselves. So to fix that, we get a new key fob. I ended up going to Z1 Motorsports. They had a $36 option, which is this one. And wow, I already nicked it. Lucky me. They have a $36 option, which is this one, and then they have an $102 option, which is like an OEM key fob. They told me this works just fine, so we're gonna end up buying this. We bought this one, and we're gonna program it to the car. To do that, we have to first of all get into the car. When the door closes, lock it, and then with the key you go in and out of the ignition 6 times. The car will let you know by flashing its lights, honking a horn. I don't have a horn, so I'm gonna look at the dash, make sure my lights turn on and off, and it'll let me know that it's been in programming mode. So you do this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my car just flashes lights. You put it in on position and hold. Technically speaking, it should work. You try it out by taking the key out, unlocking, getting out. Make sure you take in the remote. Closing, walking away, and locking. It works. So we officially programmed this key fob. It's unlocked. Well, it's locked. Unlocked. Awesome. So now this key fob works. So if you guys haven't noticed, again, like I told you, you double tap down, the windows will go down by itself, even if the car is off. So that's a pretty cool feature, and now I have a new remote. That problem is solved. Apparently this is a common issue, along with the door handle. I got both of them fixed. Yeah, simple video. I actually went to get a quote today on this fender, and there's a couple options we could do. One is reskin this, take it out, put a new panel on, do it the right way. Another one is go wide body, and the third one is just to refill it again and fix what it has there, but it's not worth it because it's really rusty. Already the years has been used, overused, abused. So at this point, I still haven't decided what I'm gonna do with the car. So we're gonna hold off on that and fix all the little other things. We're gonna do the maintenance next on this car, along with the oil pressure sensor that always gets messed up in this car. My guy told me that, my guy, he told me, but it's kind of obvious already. This hatch needs to be replaced because You can't hear it, but it's creaking. If you put enough force, you can snap this whole metal off. So technically speaking, it's done for. The rust got to it. Not sure why it has so much rust. This car, I don't believe it was a snow car, but it does. I want to keep the car. Eventually do fun stuff with it, learn to drift, track it. It's clean interior, that's the best part, so let's see. Look at that lineup. Camry's looking great. So yeah, guys, little stuff here and there for the 350Z for now. Little stuff I need to fix before it gets worse. I'm pretty much little DIYs for you guys. We'll be replacing most likely the hood, fenders, bumpers, everything that's on this car. Still on the side, we're gonna go wide body. We're gonna stay with the stock body. We're gonna go along the way and see what we do, but for now, let's just get it in working condition, and it could look ugly for a little longer. I already have wheels that I'll be showing the video pretty soon on the reveal of those wheels. They're stock wheels, sorry, but they look good. They'll look better than this, and they'll ride more proper. And also have clearance for the big brakes, so that's another plus. And hopefully, yeah, let's see where we go with this. Once again, guys, thank you for all the support. The new Z community, this new Z group that I just joined. Thank you guys for supporting this video. Please let me know what we'd like to see. Give me ideas what I could do. Content for you guys, content from my other viewers or other groups. Everything's appreciated, and like always, thank you guys for all the support. On to the next one.